Hello QS Impact, I'm Saviour Iwezue, an undergraduate of the University of Lagos studying political science. At the age of 15, I founded a youth group, Team Illuminate, which is inspiring a movement of student-led initiatives to tackle environmental challenges in local communities. And so far, we've impacted over 3,500 individuals across 32 schools and mobilized communities to recycle over 12 tons of waste through various programs. I also serve in other capacities as a deputy lead of the Partnership Working Group for the Earth Prize and the Earth Foundation. Also, I'm an Ashoka Young Changemaker and a Ty Turner Policy Champion with the United Nations Environment Program and the Captain Planet Foundation, with a strong media presence sharing my story as a changemaker and environmentalist. I have applied for the QS Impact Awards with a recent project I spearheaded, the Green Student Program, which started last year in October. But this year it was bigger and more impactful as we gathered 75 students, 10 teachers, and 30 youth and government partners to have a deeper sense of learning and meaningful discussions. We debunked the idea that environmental, academic, or career paths or pathways are not reputable through a panel discussion with youths thriving locally in environmental pathways. We also engage students in design thinking to collaboratively design campaigns and projects to tackle environmental challenges that they are concerned about. We also engage teachers on the art of climate storytelling and, on topics like eco-anxiety and strategies for environmental education. We introduced the students to biodegradable everyday items and distributed a sugarcane-based biodegradable water bottle to all of them. Students also formed teams, and we had, at the end of the day, 10 teams which are now participating in the Green Student Fellowship, which provides them with mentorship and support for their student-led initiatives, cutting across microplastics in the food chain, advocacy against waste burning, petitions for mandatory recycling in schools, and climate education. It's so incredible to see how 57% of our participants were girls and women, and 6 out of our 10 student teams are led by girls. We are empowering them not just as environmental champions, but as confident leaders who have the power to change the world. So winning the QS Impact Award will avail me the opportunity to share the stories of these teenagers and girls who are harnessing their ingenuity to turn the crisis around, just like I did when I was 15. It will also help us to financially support the 10 student-led initiatives by our Green Student Fellows and create a platform that allows them to showcase their creativity and milestones in addressing urgent issues like climate change.